Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and get signed up right there in your Peacock app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, go ahead, open your Peacock app. Make sure you have already downloaded and installed right there in your mobile phone. Once you open it, simply go ahead, allow the permissions it asks for, and you will tap on the sign in option right over there, and then you will be able to find the sign up option. Go ahead, tap on the sign up option, and now you will have to pick a plan for you to proceed further. Go ahead, choose a plan that you're comfortable to get. And once you do that, you will have to enter your email, and you will enter your password, and then you will use strong password. Once you're done that, you will enter your password again, reconfirm your password over here. Once you're done that, simply go ahead, tap on this create account option given below, and as you can see, you will get a verification email. Go ahead, tap on that. Once you do that, you can see it. Once you do that, you can go tap on this verified email address, and as you can see, once you do it, you can see once your account is verified, you will be able to see this kind of interface. You can go ahead and tap on this get started and use your Peacock as you would like. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.